Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to talk about furthermore about the chart presenting the price indexes of Aldi, Walmart and Tesco. So what can we see on the chart? Well, first of all I want to emphasize that the graph shows price indexes which measure the change in price. So we don't see the pure prices but the price changes. That means the starting point, all the three retailers can have different prices. So here we see the change in price in comparison to week 28. So for example, in week 29 the index for Tesco was 107, which means the prices were 7% increase, but in week 35 it is 69, so that means the prices were reduced 31, around 30%, let's say, compared to week 28. And in this video we assume that the products behind this average price index are the same for all three retailers. There are 6,600 products, and here we see the average price change for the underlying product. We can see that Walmart and Tesco has a similar direction, at least not their extent but their direction, first reducing the price then going up, but then Walmart started to go for a much higher price than Tesco or Aldi, and Tesco decided to go even undercut the Aldi price change. That doesn't mean they were cheaper, but they slowed down their price increase. Actually from week 47 they started a slight decrease, 0.6 percentage decrease in comparison to week 28. But meanwhile Walmart went up to a very high range, 50% higher, which assumes that Walmart was not really satisfied what is happening now. And when you increase price, what can that mean? Well, it means that maybe you don't care about market share, you want to increase profit or margin, or maybe you want to become the premium brand of the industry. On the other hand, Tesco rather decided to stay close to the week 28 price, and Aldi was the most conservative, so Aldi actually stayed in the range of 101 and 107, which means they stayed in this range, within a 6% range, which can have different reasons. We need to look at the underlying data later, but can be that Aldi didn't execute any discounts. Maybe Walmart and Tesco made a huge sale in this week 35, when they had a lot of products. They expected a lot of customers, so they were making sure what they are doing is not harming for their business. So I will come back later with a bit more explanation in deep dive into the underlying data. So that was it for now. Thank you.